Hi Virgo, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. You can also watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate po kayo doon kasi inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Virgo. And please watch until the end of the video to support my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for this month of June. Virgo. Messages, please, for Virgo. Virgo. Okay. Napagtagumpayan mo yung mga paghihirap ninyo, Virgo. Maybe you've been through a lot. Okay? Marami kayong mga obligasyon, marami kayong ginawa. Okay? Responsibilidad sa bahay, sa trabaho, at the same time, marami kayong iniisip. Okay? For some of you, you're looking forward for a new opportunity, expansion and growth in your project. Okay, if you have, kung meron kayong mga passion project na ginagawa, maybe it's time for you to launch it. Okay. You are very creative, magaling ka sa ginagawa mo, Virgo. Okay. There is a chance or an opportunity for you to grow. Okay, may potential na mag-expand pa, mag-grow ang iyong project, ang inyong business. Okay, some of you are pregnant, Virgo. Okay. It's like paid off lahat ng mga paghihirap ninyo. Okay, whether sa trabaho ito, sa personal life mo, okay, sa profession. Okay. May bago kang pagkakaabalahan, something exciting, bagong trabaho, okay? Merong gustong makipag-partner sa inyo, okay? You will have to make a decision about it, pag-isipan, think about sa long-term result ng gagawin ninyo. Okay? A joint venture, a business, partnership. Okay? Okay? For some of you, merong i-offer. Okay? New job, new work will give you a long-term success or stability. Gustong makipag-partner sa inyo, Virgo. Okay? Okay, material success. For some of you, namamayagpag when it comes to spirituality, okay? May magandang opportunity para sa inyo dyan. Okay? Good things will come to you. Believe in yourself, follow your intuition in every decision that you make. Consider carefully before you act. Okay. Some of you have psychic abilities. Okay, malakas ang intuition. A tarot reader. You have to overcome if you kung may nagawa kayong mga bad decisions, okay, in the past, nalulungkot kayo over that. Kailangan yung malagpasan yun, okay? You have to overcome it. Look for other ways, okay? Para ma-revive ang sarili ninyo, Virgo. Okay? Someone is missing you. You are too focused in your money, okay? Money making. You are thinking about sharing it, okay? Some of you is saving money. Be kind, be generous to someone, okay, Virgo. Maybe you are dealing with a boss or a husband that is missing you or missing the family, okay? Naghahanap or nag-iisip ng means and ways to see you. Yeah, someone is sad about money, okay, or resources, okay, and he or she needs to be strategic, make a plan. There are solutions and other ways on how to make it, okay, whatever, kung ano man to, Virgo, okay, kailangan pagplanuhan, gumawa ng paraan. But money will come your way. Just have to believe and trust your intuition. Accept help from others, Virgo. You've been through a lot. Parang ang dami mong ginagawa, okay? Madami kang obligations. It's not bad to ask for help, okay? But kung ano man to, you will soon overcome it, okay? Kumbaga, nasa last, ka na, matatapos mo na yung kahirapan, may bagong simula para sa inyo, okay? Kung nagtitiis ka man ngayon, you will be able to overcome it. Okay? Some of you is physically pagod na, but you keep on working, nag-iisip ka ng other ways or paraan, ano yung next move mo. Worth pa ba yung ginagawa mo, Virgo? You're thinking about this, and you're thinking of ways on how to elevate, to increase your money, okay? How to improve your financial situation. Okay? Kailangan mo makipagsundo with someone. Maybe this is your partner, an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Kailangan, what I mean is may agreement or may kailangan kayong pagkasunduan. Yeah. Think of other ways. Okay? Sometimes, kailangan natin mag-sacrifice to move things forward or to be successful. May isang tao dito na nag-i-imagine, okay, na sana ganito, pero na wala akong magawa, okay? Nag-iisip ng different options on how to improve and how to succeed. Someone is sacrificing, okay, for the better good, para sa family. Okay, Virgo? But you know, there is nothing to worry about. There is always a solution. kailangan lang pagplanuhan. May mga pagplanuhan or gawa ng paraan to make things forward or to move things forward, okay? Communication is the key. Constant communication, pagkakaintindihan. There is money coming up for you, okay? A gift, a new contracts, okay? Something valuable. Hindi lang to maliit, kundi malaki na money for you. Okay? You will be able to save. Okay? Magiging maganda ang kondisyon mo sa kaperahan. Okay? But someone is missing you or missing the family. Maybe a father, okay? Or a father of your children. A leader, a boss. Okay? Let's see kung ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo. Cup. You should accept valid criticism. Okay. Huwag pansinin yung mga nonsense, okay? Ano yung mga naririnig or nakikita ninyo na kinikriticize kayo, okay? Ignore them. Yung mga nonsense, okay? Crown. Honor and respect will come to you. Maybe for some of you, mag-elevate sa work, merong level up na mangyayari. Okay? Leadership position. And people will respect that. Your co-workers, your colleagues. Okay? Dog. Protection from a powerful friend. Some of you merong malakas na mga kaibigan, okay? May connection. Okay? Maybe for some of you, that is a boss protecting you. Dinidepensahan ka. Okay? Sinusuportahan ka because you are a hardworking person. Magaling sa work. Fly. A period of ill health, depression, okay? Laban lang, Virgo, okay? Wag magpadala sa depression. You need to go out. Mag-mall ka, punta ka sa park, mag-jog, window shopping. Since may malaking money na parating sa inyo, buy something for yourself, good stuff. Okay? Star, guaranteed success, okay? So, may nakaabang na success para sa inyo. October, okay? Maybe the month of October will be memorable or something important, magandang event ang mangyayari sa October para sa inyo, Virgo. Let's see kung ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo. Message for Virgo, please. Message for Virgo. Go back to the heart of who you truly are. There you will find peace. Look at your life in its entirety. Acknowledge any old wounds and then release them. Use what they taught you as added strength. Keep moving forward with a renewed sense of confidence. Okay? So, be strong, be confident, Virgo. So, ito lang yung mga messages para sa inyo. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye!